Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So exciting. I'm waiting for excitement here. As you can see now, we're still on the side since the drama of Monday. The good news is Bitcoin didn't collapse, right? Because before, when we had the huge news, FTX, Terra, Luna, and Triaro, and all the others, we had a very strong correction. And we had a minor correction. So it means people are fed up or immune to bad news, and that's why price doesn't plunge as before. So that's encouraging because it's telling us that if the bear market is not finished, we are about to. It's about the end, or already started the bullish momentum. And that's why bad news, they don't really affect Bitcoin and crypto in general, I would say, specifically for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, once again, I want to remind that this big movement was our first wave one. We had the A overshooting wave B, and this was the C. Was or still is the C. We can see that we made the 1, 2. This could have been the third. This could be the fourth wave, and we could see another lower low, or it's not that I'm necessarily bearish. We could just see another leg down. Maybe it could be also a truncated one, so where the fifth wave is going to stop before the third wave, and then yeah, it's going to be a fifth wave by truncation, so it will prevent to reach a lower low, a new lower low. That's a possibility. But for the moment, we can say that yeah, it's doing a W, X, Y, and the Y as ABC. So as you can see now, we're doing the A. This maybe is the B. I'm sorry. This was the A, B, and C, and now we're going to do this final of 5 leg down. And if I enlarge, I know it's a little bit messy. All right, so we're doing this more likely into a diagonal, and for a moment we didn't invalidate this diagonal, so that's what it is. And then yeah, so we made the 1, a 2, and then after that I said maybe this move didn't make sense, honestly. So I could even say that this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that a truncated 5, or this is all 4, and now we're doing the fifth leg? Very possible. And then actually, yeah, I can now update this, and since the third wave ended at 25,821, and this leg here was let me check again, 25,387. So we officially have a lower low. So yeah, so this does work. And with this, I can say that maybe this was the end of the third wave. And more likely now we're doing the fourth wave in yellow, if that does make sense. And yeah, so now we would do our fourth wave here, and then after that we're going to do our final fifth wave, which has to be lower than the orange third wave. So yeah, let's see how it goes. For the moment, it's still working out, this count, and I'm just going to extend the trend here. Well, the trend line, and then so let's see how it goes. So as you can see now, would be, let me scale out a little bit. So as you can see now, I did draw this uptrend line. Actually, I should put it in green. Here we go. So until we don't break this trend, I would say we are in business. And then yeah, so we could very easily go up, touch this downtrend line that is acting forever as a resistance, get rejected, go lower here, and then maybe find support to this trend line, which is also a previous, as you can see, resistance that now it can really act as a support. So for sure we can momentarily break down this uptrend line a week down, no problem. But that's going to be a nice, strong, solid support. Now let me pull out the indicators. As you can see, we're still going lower, and then yeah, we're in negative momentum for a moment. But considering everything happened, we did have a very large drop, so I find that very interesting, and I would say the more I would say this is like an attack on crypto to scare people to get away, right? So I would say this is the final act to terrorize people, to scare them out from crypto. When those things happen, I know that it's hard to think that, you know, okay, crypto is not going to survive. But when those things happen, in my opinion, personally, my strategy is like I buy more, because if someone is working so hard to terrorize you away from something that you know, at the end, no one out there is you know, any great investor is going to tell you that crypto is going to disappear. Cathy Wood is not saying that. Armstrong is not saying that. CZ for sure is not saying that. Elon Musk, is he saying that crypto is it's useless? No. And then yeah, so just to give you an idea how crypto is useful, you wouldn't be needing any credit card anymore, any fraud, because you know you cannot. If you have if you want to transfer money, instead of using your credit card, you just do a wallet transfer. Can anyone fraud your credit card? Yes. Can anyone fraud your wallet? No, it's technically it's impossible unless for sure there is hackers. So if you're not careful, you don't store your password properly, you don't use a good security, you don't use VPN, but that's, you know, the user fault. But the technology is there, and it's going to solve so many problems of fraud out there. So blockchain is the solution. And as you can see, you know, they can try to stop it, but they can slow it down for sure. But cannot you cannot fight. They're not going to win the war. Also, you know, if they ever win the war in North America, well, recently I saw this passport for crypto. So you need to have about 200K. If you invest in a real estate, then you get yeah, a citizenship by investment. And then if I recall, yeah, here there is 157 country worldwide. I know Portugal is very friendly to crypto, but there are so many out there. So 157 country. So think about it, and then yeah, you can check it out. It's a passportforcrypto.com. It's not a sponsor. Actually, my channel has no sponsor at all. I don't have any monetization. I'm not making money off any of this website. So I just saw that 2-3 days ago, and I want to share with you. So today Hex is taking a big hit. Okay, now I'm going to make soon a TA on render. It's really promising, and I'm going to check it out personally, and I will see. Maybe today I'm going to do a TA about it. All right, so for Bitcoin, this is what I had to say. I'm still expecting maybe another lower low, not a crazy one, just a lower one than the third wave, and so we can continue go higher. I find also this is you know, it's almost start to look like a downtrend edge, so that's bullish pattern. So that's another thing you wanna consider. But for sure, if we break this uptrend and this support, then yeah, I would say we're going to go around. Well, first step is going to be 24,000. If we lose that, then I wouldn't be surprised to go to about 22k, 21,500. And if we lose that, then we're going to go around 19k, 19, 20k. So these are the levels that we need to watch out. But for a moment, let's see if we can. I'm looking forward for a higher price, and I should go about 27,350 or something like that. And yeah, well, I guess we'll see Monday, Tuesday what's going to happen. Also, Monday, Tuesday was there. I think there was something. Okay, just for in Canada today we had the unemployment rate, and we're expecting 5.1, and we actually had 5.2. Previous was 5%, so that's good. I know it sucks for people, they lost their job, but it has to go higher so the inflation can go lower. Next Tuesday, 13th of June, it's the inflation rate month to month, the core inflation year to year, and yeah, so let's see how it goes. 7:30 a.m. Eastern time. After that, well, okay, Wednesday at 7:30 a.m. we once again have PPI month to month, and the most important one is the Fed interest rate decision, Wednesday the 14th at 1 p.m. So they are not expecting an increase. That could be send yeah, like a positive signal to the market that interest rate increase are over. And let's see how it goes. All right, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin for today. Don't be scared. No, I'm not going to tell you to buy because I'm not a financial advisor. But today I'm definitely, maybe, or tomorrow or Monday, continue to get some, because I find this is a very interesting price. All right, have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See ya.